Hi everybody, it's Rob again. Just working on the Auxbeam 8-gang switch system. Um, I was going to mount these switches using their brackets, but I don't want it on my dash up here where most people put it. It is pretty tight in there as you can see the bracket it comes with. It does fit, but it's not ideal. I guess you can put it on a pillar too. But I was thinking, why not mount it over here? This is by the steering wheel. Sorry for the bad filming, shaky hand. Using the two bolts that hold the upper plastic for the upper gauges. Sorry, don't know all the terminologies. But anyways, been fiddling, farting with this. Made a bracket out of just cardboard. Sorry, got wet. And as you can see, it can slip underneath there and then go up like this. So fiddling away with that and a piece of aluminum, I managed to make a bracket that looks like this. 2 holes for the screws, 2 holes, bigger holes to access the screws, and then just bend it to shape. I've already test fit the panel that's steel that sits above this, or sorry, in front of this, and then the plastic, and everything seems snug. So we'll put some nice photos, but basically that slips in underneath there, and you'll see the finished product once I review the switch system. But anyways, have a great day or a great night, because it is late out right now, and take care, guys.